hello. Thank you, Mr. Chui, for coming down to see this Gazania project.
Hey Jason, I see you jia like that. You better don't bluff me, you know.
Don't worry. Later you see Gazania for yourself. But how is your Landor Modern purchase?
Lantern Modern never get the queue lah.
Never mind, let's go and see Gazania now. AhJui, I see you very famous after the video.
Okay lah.
That's why I want to show you this freehold project. I noticed that you are like many buyers out there. You want big and this and that.
Of course one big lah.
AhJui, let me explain. Big means development must be good size so that we have a very good landscape and facility for family and tenants. Just for your info, the room size are at least 9 square meters and it's very near to renowned good school as well.
You say here got nearby MRT? Sure not?
Of course! We are just 5 minutes walk to Bali MRT station and 50 minutes drive to Orchard Road.
Power lah! Just now you say got what good school ah?
Haha! We have boy and girl school near Gazania, Mary Stella Junior and High School, and Paya Lebar Methodist Girls School are all within 1 kilometer.
Don't say liao, faster go see the unit lah!
Okay, come, let's go.
If you are looking at something that is ready to move in, just TOP. Don't say I bocho. Call your OrangeTee, I thank you now!